said, don't forget.
Got a 2011 Chrysler. It's me and John.
Hey, your partner. What's up, bro?
We doing the engine swap.
Me and my
It's a
nigga.
Chrysler.
Good luck.
Doing the engine swap. This is the motor over there. Right here. We just got finished this one. We did a motor in this. We didn't swap it. We just did another motor for somebody else. And I'm thinking about putting a hemi inside of my pickup truck. That's what we doing. I'm gonna go running. Put this up.
We can drop that down.
Straight down.
Straight down. Down. Do you understand? And almost we can, but what I can't do is because the cherry pick gonna be on the way when we come here. We don't want to miss the radiator. So I'm
take it
gonna
out.
Take it off.
Take it off.
Okay, that's something you know now. Do you understand what I'm saying, bro?
I'd rather buy,
just take it off
just
right
buy a
there.
Freon than a whole radiator.
Exactly. So when this comes down, hang on, because this gonna be hanging on, but we are not losing no Freon. You understand?
Battery dying?
I got more than
It should be it, Phil.
trans is leaking on the fucking white one.
The backyard boy. Anything. I don't give a fuck what it is. I'm doing it. Putting a whole new motor in this joint. Wanna know why? Cause I was bored. Hold on. Let's pull the whole motor out. Got my man Phil with me. John was with me. John had to go to an appointment. It's my guy. There's nobody better than him. I'm gonna give y'all the whole vid. Like, I ain't breaking nothing up. I was thinking about making shorts, keep y'all updated. No. I'm gonna give y'all all one vid. Watch it straight through. I'm gonna be right back at you. I'm gonna get right back to y'all. Y'all already know what it is. Next, we about to put a Cummins inside of a fucking Chevy. A Cummins in a Chevy. Then this is about to have a this motor. The motor I took out of this Chrysler, this is going inside of there. And then I have a red Cherokee back there, right here. Where's that? right about here. This red Cherokee SRT. Get with you. You already know what it is. It's that new Chrysler. Feel me? That's what we looking at. That Chrysler. We're gonna get to it. And it's all my shit. This ain't none of they shit. It's all my shit. Phil, who car are we fixing right now?
All is yours.
Exactly. All this shit is mine. Ha ha. New motor in. Out here it's getting dark. Got the motor in. Set up everything. My situation is I actually seen this on YouTube a little while before I even thought about doing this change right here. This thing, I think it's a coolant pump or power steering pump. It may be a power steering pump. When you swap it from the Charger 5.7 to the Chrysler 5.7, this is your only problem right here. This thing is too long, so it's not going to line up with the belt. Not going to line up at all. It's supposed to go there. I got to find a way to come up with fixing that. I didn't see how the guy fixed it on his, but it's my turn. I was thinking about cutting this and dropping it down. I measured it. I measured it with the tape measure right there. It was 4 inches. No, this was 5 inches and 2/4. And then the fucking dish joint was a whole nother size. Like, this is way smaller. Like, you put it here, you put it there, it's up to there. This is gonna come out longer than, you can actually see it there. The belt not gonna line up with the AC compressor and the crankshaft. So I gotta figure that part out, and then that's where we go. We almost there. I'm actually gonna try to put the supercharger intake up here. So we looking. I didn't put the supercharger on there yet because I didn't get it yet, but I will be putting it on there. My own shit. I'm gonna add this on here so I can put the bolts back inside the torque converter. That's it. Leave this there till tomorrow. Just leave it there so I don't lose it. Everything connected. We did a pull in and pull out one day. Really 1 day and a half. A full 24 hours, I'm gonna say. Everything is hooked up. You already know what it is. You already know what it is.